Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 10th, and this is my recap of the top of videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number two, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure to check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did bounce off the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2. It is a very likely place for wave 3 to end. But for me, I see no lower high. I see no break of structure to the downside. Until this thing proves otherwise, I would for sure continue to look for longs in an uptrend. It's in an uptrend for me, and I'm looking for longs on shorter time frames, at least until we see a break of structure to the downside on the 4-hour time frame and up. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up. Unless price goes all the way down, breaks this 100% level, I am definitely looking for longs. I would actually expect it to go down maybe a little bit more, make a more proper looking ABC correction. But if I see, especially like a proper ABC, 3 waves down, Fibonacci bounce, engulfing move to the upside, I for sure would take it as another long opportunity, most likely for the continuation of this wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.